Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a solution if you're unable to open the Windows security application on your Windows 11 computer. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. First, open the search menu and type PowerShell. Then when you see Windows PowerShell in the search result, just simply right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. You see user control prompt, just simply click Yes on it. Now copy the command provided in the video description and then in the PowerShell window, right-click on the top bar, select Edit, and then paste to insert the command. Wait until you see a blinking crosshair at the end, which means the command has finished running, then close the PowerShell window. Next, open the search menu again and type Security. Then select Windows Security from the result. Then just simply right-click on Windows Security and click on App Settings. Now a pop-up should appear over here. Scroll down until you find the Reset option. So over here, if the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system component's data won't be affected. So on this option first, try the repair option. This will attempt to fix the issue without affecting your system component data. If the problem still persists, select the second option, Reset, which will permanently delete the system component data, including your preferences and sign-in details. Click on Reset, then wait a moment for the process to complete. Now once this is done, you can close the panel. Now for the third method, open your search menu and type CMD. Then right-click, then run this as administrator right over here and click on it. Again, if this appears in front of you, click on Yes. Now in the command prompt, just simply type sfc/scannow and then press Enter. This command will initiate a system scan which may take time to complete, so please be patient. Now after it is completed, just simply close the command prompt and restart the computer. After that, your issue should most likely be fixed. So that's it, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. So thank you for watching, and take care.